I forbid junk food in the house on weekdays every week. I am forbidding my kids from staying up late right now. I have just forbidden the use of phones at dinner. I have been forbidding late-night snacks for a month. I forbade the dog from the sofa yesterday. I was forbidding the children from the pond when it started to rain. I had forbidden the topic before the guests arrived. I had been forbidding sweets for weeks before the dentist visit. I will forbid screens after 9 tomorrow. I will be forbidding entry to the site all afternoon. I will have forbidden every shortcut by the end of the audit. By June, I will have been forbidding smoking in this office for a year.